simple interest. Here the interest is charged only on the principal amount for the interest period. No interest is charged on the interest amount occurred during the preceding interest periods. The formula to obtain the simple interest is 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 equal to P into N into I divided by 100, where IS is the total interest amount, P is the principal amount, N is the number of interest periods, and I is the rate of interest in percentage.
Let's look into an example of simple interest. A person has taken a loan of rupees 1 lakh from a bank for a period of 5 years. Estimate the amount of money the person will repay to the bank at the end of 5 years. Consider the simple interest rate of 8% per annum. So in this particular question, they have asked us to determine how much money the person who has taken a loan of 1 lakh rupees from a bank is going to repay after 5 years of the payment period. So let's solve this particular problem. So solution. So first we'll write down the given data. So what is the given data? They have given us the loan amount, which is 1 lakh rupees. So the loan amount is the principal amount. Principal or the principal amount, which is denoted as capital P, is equal to rupees 1 lakh. Next, they have given us the period at which he has to repay. That is the interest period they have given. Interest period. Which is denoted as small n, which is 5 years. Next, they have given the simple interest rate the bank is going to give for that particular loan. The interest rate is also called as the rate of interest. Anything you can denote. So it is denoted as I, which is equal to 8% per annum. So this is the given data. Now we are supposed to determine how much he is going to repay. So first we need to determine what is the total interest he is going to pay for the given sum. So now we will determine the total interest. Total interest, which I am going to denote it as IS, because it is simple interest, so I am denoting it as IS, is equal to, the formula is P, that is principal amount, multiplied by the interest period N, multiplied by the rate of interest, whole thing divided by 100. Here we need to keep in mind that the rate of interest I is in percentage. If it's not in percentage, for example, if it is in decimals, then this particular 100 we need not represent, because here we are converting the percentage into decimal. That is the reason I am writing it as 100. So we'll substitute it into this. So principal amount is 1 lakh multiplied by interest period is 5 years multiplied by the rate of interest is 8%, whole thing divided by 100. So if we solve this, you are going to get the interest rate or the total interest is rupees 40,000. So the total interest what he is going to pay for 5 years is 40,000 rupees. But in the question they have asked how much money the person will repay to the bank after 5 years. So after 5 years, what he is going to pay is the principal amount plus the total interest. Therefore the total amount to be paid at the bank is rupees 1 lakh plus rupees 40,000, which is equal to rupees 1,40,000. So this is the total amount what the person is going to pay to the bank.